Toots, dali, go harvest some tomatoes. One for Tuti, two. Here, take this one. This. Wait for mama. Oh, ayan pa, isa pa. Ito oh, Tuti. Ayan pa. No, the red one. Just the red one. Yan. Patayin nyo na naman eh. Let's go. Dito. Yeah, come here.
There's something needs to be the worm there.
Wala.
Wala.
It's just Japanese worm.
Nice worm.
Kunwari pa kayo.
Oh, flower.
Oh, dito sa kabila. Doon. Oh, be careful. Wala. Dali na ninyo. Okay. No. That's for my. This is for Maya. That one is yours. Okay. Bilisan na ninyo. Go finish it. This. The red one only orange. Ikaw yung hinog.
Look, you see that?
It's okay. You can step on it. Go inside, baby. It's okay. You can go inside. Step. Yan. Ubusin mo na to. Ayan, no.
Hello?
Anong ayun, no? Only the orange one. Buday kitay. Go, I will hold it. Get it. Go harvest.
Harvest?
Ewan ko sa'yo, Maya to. Ayun. Pumasok ka sa kabila. Dito ka sa kabila. Ayan. Inside. Ayan, no. Ben. Ikaw. Ben, there is a lot. Here. Ayun pa to. Ang dami, oh. No, only... Ay, na. No, you don't harvest the green one. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Ako na nga. Si mama na. Inda daw.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Oh.
Thank you. Papatayin nyo na naman yung kamatis natin. Ewan.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Mama.
Ang nag-iisang cucumber, mga kababayan. Napatay na nila yung puno.
Mine.
Okay.
It's ladybug.
Oh.
Mine.
Naputol ni mama. Kainin mo na yung dulo.
I saw a ladybug.
Let's go.
I saw a ladybug.
Are you eating it?
I saw a ladybug. I saw a basement.
Basement. Ang nag-iisang sitaw ni ate dito.
That's one, Mama.
Basil?
Basil.
Try it. Eat it. Toot, try the basil.
Basil for mine.
For pasta? Oh, eat it. Toot. Taste it. Give one leaf for your brother.
Okay. Let go.
Oh. Go taste it. Is it good? Oh, nag-iisang sitaw. Anak ng pating. Let's check our... Oh, meron pang isang sitaw. Sitaw. Okay. Okay. Let's see our black tomato. Tingnan natin kung ready to harvest na. Oh, ay. Tingnan natin. Ay, hindi pa siya ready. They're not ready. Yung ating mga black tomato. Yun lang ang bunga ng ano, Ben? Sitaw?
Sitaw.
Ha? Are you eating the sitaw too? Let me see. You like it? Oh, may isang... Ay, hindi pa ready. Hindi, secret. To show me, what are you eating? You eating sitaw? It's raw. Where's your cucumber? Halika na. Let's go. Doon tayo sa silong. Dito.